Hey everybody, welcome to Days with Kendra. Days with Kendra, y'all. Hope y'all doing good in this heat wherever you are. Down here in Georgia, y'all, it is hot. I think it's supposed to get up to like 100 degrees out here, y'all. But it's hot. It's hot. The kids in the car. So y'all, guess what? We are about to do a little day trip with some friends. So we are about to head to Rigby'S water park in Warner Robins, Georgia, y'all. So yeah, you can see them.
I knew it.
Pray for me. But nah, y'all, for real, y'all. It's about to be. All right, y'all, buckle up, put your seatbelt on. Teeny, move your foot. Put your seatbelts on.
Hey, y'all. We're about to enjoy the ride.
Yeah, they are. Whew, y'all, it's gonna be a fun but long, great day. But yeah, y'all, we about to head out, y'all. About to have a good time. This heat. But at the same time, y'all, I love the sunshine. It's hot. I don't know what out here. But yeah, y'all, we about to head to the water park. So stay tuned. And y'all, we were supposed to be head out, but we running behind. Yeah, I had to get the cooler, get some water. Like I said, this heat is out here. I don't know about y'all, but I kind of got to where, depending on where I'm going, really anywhere now, y'all. When it's hot like this, I like to get the small cooler, put some water in it, because I mean, at the same time, I mean, if I have to, I'll stop, but I don't have to make any extra stops to go run in and get something to drink. We got it in the car. So got the cooler packed out some with water and juices for them, because I know it's gonna be a long day, y'all. We're gonna be out for a while, so got to be prepared. Y'all, we made it here. We are not locked the door from Michelle. We're not that far away from the park. We had to stop at our Starbucks, y'all. Y'all want to stop, right? Share time. Not food, because we're going straight to the park, but they'll probably
but we might get a drink.
Yes, they'll probably get a slushie, which if you seen my last video, I mentioned it, that the kids do love the slushies there. Hopefully I can remember to capture it on video so y'all can see this time. But we about to head in, y'all, because we got to use the bathroom real quick. Remember, like I said before, they always usually have clean bathrooms. So I hope this one right here, we're the one in Warner Robins, so I hope theirs is clean. So, but with that said, y'all, stay tuned in. We did rent a cabana, just so we know we got some shade over our heads and somewhere to sit, because you know the sun, as you can see my face, sweating. So I'm gonna show y'all the cabana, and then we about to have some fun. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all see this water slide right here? Y'all, I had to get on it because Shell kept saying, Mommy, I want you to come on the water slide. So, you know what? I just had to do it. Not just this one, but some of the other water slides there too. Y'all, we really had a blast. I really wish that I would have thought to take the GoPro, but I wasn't thinking, about trying to hurry up and get out of the house. I wasn't thinking to grab the GoPro so I could have with me, going on the slides. I didn't want to have my phone. So next time we go, I'm definitely taking the GoPro. Not this one, probably two, but definitely taking the GoPros next time we go to the water park. Y'all, man, when I say it was so much fun, This was so much fun. Back there, everybody back there. Hey y'all, so we are about to leave Rigby'S water park, and we had a good friend. You see my friend over there. You gonna follow us? Okay, all right.
Why she gonna follow us?
Just to get out of here. But yeah, y'all. So but we had a really good time here. I think we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back this summer. Like I say, the prices wasn't bad. I think it was like we paid like $28 a person. So for us 28 to get in, but very kid friendly. So you don't have to worry about for it's like deep pools or nothing like that, especially if you got non-swimmers. But yeah, we had a really good time. So and nap time. But yeah, y'all. But again, y'all had a really good time here at Rigby'S Water Park. All right, y'all. So as I pull up in the driveway, I see this box Chevy sitting in our yard. I'm like, man, that is clean. Check it out right here, y'all. All right, y'all. So yeah, like I said, my husband, he's doing some collaborating, y'all, for his channel, y'all. And to get home and see that, y'all, it's always good. You can't tell me, y'all. It's always good to be able to see some nice, clean old schools for real, y'all. Ain't nothing like the old schools. Hey, that's my opinion. But that box, whew.